Yeah, it is possible that you've been in crypto space for years now. You've read news about cryptocurrencies. You've read news on maybe Bitcoin Talk, Coin Telegraph, maybe like Bitcoin.com. You see a lot of news on cryptocurrencies. You know, and you see a lot of analysis talking about data that they got from Arkham Intelligence. And you're going to ask a question like, who is Arkham Intelligence? Okay, what are they really into? Now, today's um, tutorial or today's crypto guide or today's crypto content is going to be focused on Arkham websites, right? Now, if you've used this platform before for any research purpose, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, before we proceed. And if this is the first time you're coming across Arkham Intelligence websites, please let me know also in the comment box. Or maybe you've even heard about it. Many times you come across these websites, but you never really try to explore it and see if you could make some sense out of it. Now, welcome to the Crypto News channel. Okay, we're going to dive deep into it. If this is the first time you're watching the channel rather, I almost live stream. If this is the first time you're watching, any video on this channel, please, I'm going to say welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell. That's quite important. And make sure you are always tuned in to this place because there are lot of amazing content right here, amazing information and updates right here. So now looking at the website, for research, if you'd like to get your hands dirty with research, this is the right platform for you also. Okay, it's as powerful as coin glass. Okay, you can see Bitcoin ordinals updates of that. You can see what is the parallel VM. Celsius report is there. ICP report is there. Like you want to stay ahead of people in the crypto space, and these are not too old. This is Crypto Trading 101, leading Telegram trading bot that was March this year. So cryptocurrency arbitrage is right here. You can see, all right. So who owns the most Ethereum? You can have a look at that updates, and kind of have understanding of people that owns the highest Ethereum. The net worth of Justice Son, Bitcoin net worth, best DEX, which is centralized exchanges. All right, a flash note, the beginner's guide for rates. As in, you have access to a bunch of well researched information, not just a kind of quackly done blog post. you know, so these are kind of deep research that you can gain a lot of value from. DeFi versus CeFi trading platform. How much crypto does Donald Trump have? You can have insight into that. So they have a lot of, Memcoin 101, understanding Tornado Cash, 12 billion crypto analysis tool for traders is here. You can see on-chain analysis, as in you have access to a wide range of information. This is just like a blog post, okay? But instead they call it research, and I think it makes sense that way. So featured means this, they actually paid for, most likely. Report means what they actually, decide to write from their own team, and they have briefing also. So moving from here, you could see something like this. The media, all right, you can say the latest news on different platforms is being aggregated. You can see Cointelegraph here. That was May 15 from Cointelegraph, May 15 from CryptoSlate, the blog, Bitcoin.com, the Crypt. These are basically all the media houses that we have, in the crypto space. The top ones, really, the top ones. You have Defiant, you have which other one again? The Crypt is quite popular. CryptoSlate is also quite popular now. So that's it. And you can also go here and say, okay, if you like, you can become the affiliate if that is what you are comfortable with. You can also go check the demo, their guide, the verified account. It's not free really. It's not free to use this platform. You can check on your codex. Okay, what's up with it? Arkham, the Arkham themes, the thesis, you're able to learn more about it, the tokenomics for Arkham, right? ARKM has three functions. I guess I have a token on CoinMarketCap. So let us have a look at this right now. So I'll go to CoinMarketCap. So I'll search for ARKM, which is the token. So the next thing you can see the market cap is over $470 million market cap. You can see all data on this guy. Okay, I think it was launched not quite long, probably around last year 23. Okay, I think they did some airdrop. Probably some people got some decent airdrop from it. So the all-time high was around $4. Also, that was the all-time high. As seen right here, that is 3.99. And this guy is kind of down by 41.46% from the previous all-time high. And all-time low was 28 cents. Okay, that's a very good run on that cryptocurrency. So you can see it exists on several markets today. You can see Arkham token exists. So I think they kind of found utilities for it on the platform. Like if you hold some of the tokens right here, you can have access to a wide range of information right here. The governance incentives is there, ARK incentives is there, ARK reward for action beneficial to the Arkham ecosystem, ARKM discounts, platform discount up to 60% for paying in or holding ARK, can you see that? So if you want to like have like this, a huge discount, then you can actually go ahead and buy the token. You can see this also, Intel to earn. Arkham Intel Exchange connects people who want to buy and sell crypto intelligence. Okay, it's a decentralized intelligence economy where anyone can trade derivative currencies. So if you have an intent to sell, then there is a buyer for it. I guess there's a marketplace for that. You have bounties. Look at bounties right here. Okay, you have bounties. Look at that. Buyers solicit intelligence by posting Arkham bounties on the exchange. To post the bounty, they must write the specification of, let me explain what the bounties may actually look like to you. The bounties is an example of bounty is when somebody's wallet is hacked and is trying to see if the identity of the hacker could be revealed through Arkham. Is that clear now? So the person plays the bounty and say, okay, if you can help me to trade this wallet to the source of the owner of this wallet, I'm going to be giving you like 3,000 ARK, and that's about $6,000. So if you have the technical skills, technical know-how to unveil the identity behind such address, then you'll be able to claim that reward. That's basically how it works. I hope that is clear to you now. So now you have an idea of, you have a feel. Let me say that. Now you have a feel of what Arkham Intelligence is at the moment. So if you want to try it, you should definitely try it out. Okay, try it out and see. They have announcements, about their community, their project, announcing Arkham and Ninja Traders. They kind of have a partnership. Track the Lazarus Group with Arkham and Zach XPT. You can see that. You can actually track Lazarus Group and know what they're doing. Revolut's crypto holdings are now labeled, on the platform. You can see more. And also Arkham and Blast. Arkham CEO speaking at ETHCC. So this is where you get some level of updates about what these guys are doing. You can even check them out on social media platforms. Okay, and see if you can follow them. If you're looking for a job, come here and see if they have job for you. It is a data engineer, software engineer, blockchain data analyst, data scientist. These are people they're looking out for. They're not looking out for community admin or moderator. Okay, so they're looking for people that had that have very kind of high tech skill. That's it. That's it. That's exactly what they're looking out for. Okay, what they're looking out for. So if you want to check the demos, you can click on this to view their demos if that's what you want. Okay, so that will take you to YouTube channel. Okay, and this is it. It will view their demos, watch a bunch of videos about them. Alright, so I believe you've learned something from this review of Arkham Intelligence, and now you have an idea of how to leverage it, especially, for research purpose. Okay, you never knew what parallel VM is before ever in your life. Just come here and click on it. Okay, click on it. It's always a very powerful information about it, well detailed. Okay, there is no how you go through all of these things, and you now say you don't know much about it. Okay, you can see. parallel VM, where you illustrated on the website. They have a bunch of illustration right there. Right, look at that. Now, what is virtual machine? Understand the theory of virtual machine. Okay, introduction to that topic is right there. So, by reading some of this content in the website, you have more updates about the core. We have the core knowledge of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Basically. So let me know if you find this too useful. Okay, if it makes sense to you, please go ahead and let me know in the comments section.